Hi, everyone. This video is going to cover how to enter data into the First 50K bookkeeping system. So let's get started. Okay, when you first open up your bookkeeping system tab, it will be empty. And I will go ahead and put in a couple of test transactions and talk through them a little bit. So just like in the example tab, we want to put in the date the transaction was made. And for this first one, we will say that we are paying for a Calendly subscription. So we will put Calendly in the paid to, and the category will be software. Now, the category dropdown is an entire chart of accounts for your business, and you must choose from the list in order for the data from this tab to flow seamlessly into your financial reports tab. So all of your income will be coded as green. Your expenses are coded as yellow, or I'm sorry, your expenses are coded as red. And then down here we have transfers are yellow. And then when we pay ourselves or infuse money into our business, those are purple. So we are paying Calendly. Calendly is a software subscription. So I can just start typing software, and this option will pop up and you just want to click on it there. Now in column D under accounts, this is referencing which account the money came out of. So this drop down has a list of potential accounts. This list is fully customizable so that it fits your business and the accounts you actually have and actually use. So I would recommend before beginning, you want to go to the digital training manual and follow those step-by-step instructions on how to customize this list so it includes your accounts and what you call them. But for now, we'll just use what is already pre-populated, and we'll say that we paid our Calendly subscription with our Visa card. And then in column F, we want to put the amount of money we spent on that transaction. In column F, even though it says money out, we want to type in a positive number. So we don't want to overthink this, okay? We don't want to put in a negative number there. Just put in the amount, and that way that will flow correctly into your financial reports. Okay, we're going to skip these two check boxes here for just a second, and we're going to come back over here and put in an income. So let's say that our customer paid us for a service. We are going to put our customer's name in column B, and then for category, she purchased a service, so we can just start typing service and it'll come up, or we can use the drop down and look at the four options here. The four options are service, products, interest income, and other. So use whichever one is most correct for that sale. And then in column D, you want to put in the account you received the money into. So if you're using, say, Stripe or Square, and that money is then deposited directly into your checking account, you would want to put in checking. Stripe and Square are not an account. They are a credit card processor, and so they would not be part of this list. And that is discussed in the digital training manual. That information is in there when you are setting up these accounts. So you want to put in the account that the money was deposited into. And then you want to come over to column G and put in how much money that customer paid you or how much was deposited. Okay, now we have these two transactions here. I'm just going to click over to the financial reports real quick and show you what happened. We now have a dollar amount in service sales, and we also have a dollar amount in software. See how easy that is? That worked out real well. Okay, the other thing in the bookkeeping system are these check boxes. And really what they are here for is just to tell you that you did something. So you can just click in them or click them off. Reconciling and receipt management There is a section of that in the digital training manual. I really recommend that you read that. There is also another video specifically about reconciling accounts. So I'm going to leave that information for the other video. All right, I think that's it for this tab. It's pretty easy. It's a one point of entry system. This is the only tab you will enter your information into. All right, let's move on to the next video.